What's up, family? Welcome to the vlog. Big day for me today. In 18 months I have not kicked a football, and if you guys have been following this channel closely, you know that football is my life. And yeah, it's been a while since I've been on camera, been a while since we've done a vlog, so apologies for that. It's been absolutely manic. Yeah, we had the Excel exhibition, we had the Legacy rope launch, and honestly it's been a crazy couple last months. You're gonna get run over here. Right, so we're in South East London, we're in an area called Beckenham. Phenomenal day in London, guys. Like, the last few weeks has been crazy sick. So yeah, if you've been following the channel closely, you know last year around May time I had my first hip operation, first kind of major operation on my right hand side. We've done reconstruction on the cartilage. I lost all cartilage on the right hand side due to football. That took me out for about 3 months. I was on crutches for about 3 months. And then I had the left hand side done in, I think it was September last year. I'm buzzing, I'm excited. So we're gonna go see my mates. These guys, I've grown up playing football, I think since I was about 13, 14, some of them. And one of them, Jason, has come from the USA, he's come from America, he moved out there. So he's come back and we're gonna basically have a kick around and get back to playing. So I'm super excited. Here we got Jason in goal. Can you see him? I'm pointing there. Jason, say what's up. Say what's up to YouTube. So Jason's flown in from LA, he lives out there now. So this is why we're all getting together.
Don't have my permission, you can if you pay.
I'm coming on. I'm gonna get my shoes on. What are these called? I can't remember the name of them. Alright, I always wear Nike. When it comes to football, I'm a Nike guy. I say that with my Adidas slippers, but yeah.
You're not gonna play with your sunglasses, right?
Are you recording? Yeah. I was just about to run on with my sunglasses. I realised I can't even wear my sunglasses. I'm gonna take sunglasses. I'm so used to wearing my sunglasses. Look at me, man.
Rashid! Set! Oh! Rashid!
Half time now. I'm absolutely beat down, boys and girls. My fitness was so good. 18 months. Not running, not sprinting, not kicking the ball. I'm struggling. I've done all the skipping, I've done all the workouts. But if you guys play football, you know about it. You can't be match fit, you can't feel sharp unless you play. And my heart is just, wow. Heart is struggling. I'm looking like an amateur on here today, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Don't think I've scored. Or maybe assist 1 goal. It's not good. I need to step up the game. Second half, I'm gonna get a good break. We're gonna get at it. The good thing is that the hips feel good. I'm a bit rusty shooting, passing, feels a bit heavy, sluggish. But damn, it does feel good, it does feel good. It's baking here today as well. I need to get back on it. Second half, we're gonna get this, yeah. Strong.
5 minutes, travel, Jack.
Game done. I'm so tired. It's just baking. Honestly, that was terrible. Like, I couldn't function, I couldn't move. My heart was like it was gonna explode. We're all just a shadow of our own selves right now. And it's gonna take a long time to get back to where I was. But I'm glad I got out of the way, and I'm glad I'm recording today because I want you guys to see the progression. I'm gonna keep trying to record every time I play, and you guys are gonna see me get back to my old self. You're gonna see some skills and techniques. Gee, how was that? Terrible. She's just nodding her head in shame. England game is on today, England, Belgium. England, of course, didn't make it to the final. The whole country was getting hyped. Such a shame, man. What a beautiful summer it would have been. Just topped it off, England got to the final, but I think Croatia definitely deserves to get through, played a better football. Big AC in the house. You guys remember this guy? Top salesman in Excel.
Commission, where's my commission?
England already losing, 3 minutes in. Oh, we gave up on England. Half time, we've left. We're gonna go get some food now. Gigi, where we're heading?
Nando's?
Let's go Nando's. Yes! Gigi, you never let me go Nando's.
Shut up, you liar.
All about the Nando's. Typical English Brit here, socks and sliders. Nando's. Right, got my go-to meal, guys. Peri peri chips. I've got double chicken breast and pita. Can't even see. Where's the chicken breast at? Yes, guys, we're back at the HQ. Nando's done. To be honest with you, I didn't really enjoy that Nando's. Probably the first time in a long while, actually, that just didn't really go down well. I feel like their quality's going down. I think the chicken's like just a bit rubbery. Didn't really feel too good. And yeah, the only good thing about it was the chili sauce. Yeah, so we had the Elevate exhibition. We then had the Legacy launch. That was May. May was just mental. And then June we had the Hyde Park meetup. So it's all kind of moving quickly, and now we're into July and only 6 weeks out from our tour in the USA. So just so many things have been happening. The Legacy launch was just insane. Like, I keep on talking about how each launch is just crazy and crazy, but the Legacy launch, the pre-order was like way out of this world. It became our biggest launch to date, a record-breaking launch in terms of kind of number of units sold, revenue, everything else like that. It was phenomenal, and it blows my mind to just, like, every time I look at the kind of map of the world of where we actually ship our products to, like, I think it's hitting like 90 countries now where we've shipped everything to. So it's just incredible to know that I've got your support. I've got all your support, everyone out there, you as well watching. You guys have been behind me from day one, and I'll never forget it. I'll never kind of take it for granted. I just want to keep working hard, guys. So I'm going to show you the HQ right now. I'm going to show you what's been happening. My feet are still killing. Oh, you tripped up there. Let's go through these infamous doors that you guys see on all my tutorials. So here we are at the HQ. This used to be, of course, for those of you just joining this channel, this used to be my sort of studio space. This is where I first started training my clients, 6 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the evening, like when I come back from work. And now it's just become a kind of warehouse slash office slash chill. Anyway, we'll get into all that. Right, so what you're looking at here is all the boxes for the second round of Legacy ropes. So we sold out of our first pre-order, and I've just shipped these in. So there's about 20 odd boxes that we got in. So we're gonna make sure that we don't stock out again. Here our like kind of already open boxes, so I've marked these out. This is like black and yellow 10 foot. You got black and white, and then here's all the kind of packaging. So I think I've shown you guys the packaging before, but yeah, really happy with it. I think it looks really cool, really slick, and I think it's quite different and unique. So that's that. That's how we kind of position it, which could be a little bit better, I imagine. Then we've got more ropes here. These are my speed ropes. Again, we kind of mark them out like this, like if it's black and yellow, what size it is. You've got the black and reds here. You've got the full black, and then just, yeah, a heap more load of boxes. There's boxes everywhere. The gym is out of commission. It's kind of hard to get into there. Busy, busy. Right, then we've got a little rack of clothes here. This is when we're doing our kind of shoots or when we're doing our photos for the website. And then here, guys, I've set up the table. It's a table tennis table here. But what we've done is we've created a kind of workstation. So you can stand up, you can kind of do your packaging, you get the ropes, you get all the kind of bagging, you bag it all up. There's G's sunglasses, camera case. So you bag everything up here, make sure you've got the right order, etc., blah, blah, blah. Then we throw them in these boxes here, and each box is like for a separate kind of part of the world. So UK, Europe, blah, blah, blah. Here we've got some more ropes ready to go. Yeah, it's just crazy. Like it's looking cool. Like I'm pleased with kind of where we're positioning everything, but I think it could be a lot better. But here's G's office. So Gigi works here. She's got herself a nice little white chair, and these are all the labels when she's doing her work. She's got the laptop, doing her emails, etc. This is the new thing. I think you guys haven't seen this yet, but I got this massive kind of sofa bed. It's actually just like a normal sofa, but we've pulled it out and made it into kind of like a bed, because we're spending so much time in here now that we end up just sort of sleeping here, not even in our bedroom. So we work here. We've got our TV, got the banner from the Elevate XL as well that I just kind of have for, yeah, just memories. And yeah, more apparel here. We've got the Just Jump t-shirts. We've got some kind of envelopes that we packaging, more ropes. And also we've got, if you guys follow the channel well, this is Pedro the plant. We bought him from IKEA a couple of months ago. He's still doing well. Look how green he is. It comes out quite nice on the camera. Anyway, and then we've got shelves of our apparel. So we've got the t-shirts here, more t-shirts. We've got kind of packaging boxes, bags. And then here's more apparel. We've got shorts, our jogging bottoms, a new line of shorts and jogging bottoms. These are sick, guys. They're doing really well. We've got space for them now, but literally they're going really fast. And I've had to buy new shelves as well for our new kind of launches and stock that's about to come in. And then here We've got the kind of final boxes of mats. The mats go in here. Let me see if you can see them. So there we are, the rush mat. They come in these boxes, these kind of big long boxes. And then here's the kind of overflow of more stock when we need to kind of take it out. So yeah, it's just boxes everywhere. I'm glad we got this little workstation, and it's starting to take a little bit of shape. I reckon it could be obviously a lot more cleaner, a lot more organized. But what we're going to do is have all the stock along maybe this wall, keep this as the workstation, and then maybe move Gigi's office like closer to this side, so she doesn't have to really kind of get up and walk and get all the stuff on the shelf, etc. So that's where we're at. It's crazy to think, like I said, like that this used to be kind of my studio where I used to train people, wake up so early in the morning to get them skip in and just, yeah, group classes. I'm still in my football stuff, by the way. And to now to see how it is just turning into this warehouse. To see this place grow in the way that it has, and yeah, I miss the gym. I really do miss it being really clean and being able to work out and train and things like that. But this is a lot more satisfying, to be honest with you, because it just shows just where we're heading. Like the direction is positive, and I think there's a lot more we can do. There's a lot more kind of room to grow, and the ideas and the things that we have in place that's going to come in the next few months. I think you guys are going to love it. I think you guys are going to appreciate it. So just wanted to show you kind of this little piece of card here, but in general, guys, we spend a lot of time on our packaging. Our designer, she's super cool. She hooks it up, she gives us a few designs, we talk through it. That's how we came up with kind of the packaging for the speed rope, the packaging for the legacy rope. And we also have these kind of inserts now, which we include, and it's a kind of like thank you card. We include it on all our parcels. But this is like massive for me. Like this quote, this saying, forget your own unhappiness for creating a little happiness for others. Because when you are good to others, you'll be best to yourself. Just remember, the things you do for yourself are gone when you are gone, but the things you do for others remain as your legacy. So I'm getting like goose pimples, I kind of reading this, but when I see this quote, when I feel it, when I read it, it's so important to me, guys. Like this whole movement, this whole rope, it's more than a skipping rope. It's more than kind of just cardio. It's like all of this is nothing without you guys. It's nothing kind of compared to the messages I receive, like the thanks, the appreciation, the kindness, people telling me how much I inspired them, how much I got them to start thinking about, you know, just doing more for their lives, to fulfill their potential. And that is why we do all of this. That is why I'm doing all of this, and the time, the effort. It's more than a rope, and I'm always trying to get that message out there. If you follow me on Instagram, it's kind of like that now. And I want you guys watching on YouTube to really try and take this in, is that we're here for a reason. All of us, I believe, are here for a reason. And, you know, if you guys can find your purpose, then you'll realize that it's always about helping others. It's always about giving value. It's not about money. It's not about trying to make the most money, get rich. That will only go, you know, like a limited amount of way in your life. Then once you buy your flash car, once you buy a nice house, you're always searching for more. But the moment you start to help someone, or the moment that you start to change people's lives and have an impact on this humongous world, you'll realize that just one message, one email, one kind of whatever it is, telling you that you've just helped someone and helped them change their lives, it goes so far. It goes such a long way. And honestly, I thank you all for everyone who is messaging me. And this is weird talking in the mirror. Hold on. Right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that kind of mini tour of the gym, the slash warehouse. I don't know what to call it anymore, but it's still the HQ. It's always gonna be the HQ for me. It's gonna be the base. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I probably will tidy this up, and I probably will add a few more shelves and just cooler things, but there's just a nice aura in here. Like it just feels like there's just good vibes. Right, so that's the HQ. I hope you guys enjoyed that little segment of the video. Right now, I'm just gonna actually hang out for a bit. I need to shower, I'm so sweaty. I think you can see me on the camera just sweating my head off. Honestly, I'm not sure where this vlog is going. It's been a while since I did this, so I'm a little bit rusty. Stay patient with me, I'm sure it's gonna get a little bit better.